Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a total clean out and organization of my fridge. And boy did it need it. You will see here that it was really getting gross and I needed to take everything out and scrub it all down before putting away all of my new groceries. Does anyone else have a basket filled with takeout condiments in their fridge, or just me? And if you enjoy videos like these, I plan to make more, and if you'd really love to support my channel, you can go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'm working my way towards 100 subscribers, and that's my goal for the end of next month. You can also go ahead and give this video a like so that I know that this is the type of content you would like to see in the future. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy watching this satisfying video of me cleaning out my fridge. Okay, you guys, this was seriously disgusting. Sorry for the slow video there, but I had to show you guys just how bad my fridge had gotten. And without further ado, what we've all been waiting for, the clean, finished, and organized fridge. And yes, I did color organize my peppers. Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping by and watching, and I really do hope that you'll subscribe to my channel so that I can keep making content for you.